Hey everybody. So what we're going to do is going to talk about Screencastify real quick. So now that we are on this extra extended stay at home learning, I wanted to go ahead and share out how we can do some distance learning using video. So Screencastify is a tool that is a Google Suite tool. All you have to do is go to either your Play Store or your Google Store or even just Google Screencastify and download. And when you do get Screencastify downloaded, up in your toolbox up here, you're going to see where all of your icons are. You're going to see that little Screencastify icon that you see up at the top of my screen here. So I just want to knock out a quick screencast showing you how you use Screencastify. Also, something to let you know, very important, is that all of your videos auto-save to the folder in your drive. So once you download Screencastify, there will be a folder that is automatically in there that will help you share all of your things. So I would go into that folder and right-click on the icon for the folder and click Share and check your sharing settings so that anybody can view the videos. And I'm not just talking in Fox. I would say anybody, because you might have parents that want to see your videos too if you're trying to teach things to students, and maybe the parents need some help with those lessons too. When you first get on Screencastify, you're going to see a screen that looks like this. So it's going to ask you for access to your microphone and to your webcam if you want to be in the picture. So for example, if I want to hop in right now, I click Embed Webcam. Hi, everybody. Here I am. You can see me right here embedded within the screen. And so I can be seen on the screen as well as the screen, or I can be hidden. Bye. So that's one of the things you can choose is to embed your webcam. So I'm going to show you where all these icons are shortly. So what can you do with Screencastify? Well, as you can see, you can either have yourself on the screen or you can have your screen recorded. And when you're recording on the screen, you have a whole bunch of menu options. So the first menu option is I'm going to go down to my little mouse pointer down here at the bottom left, and I'm going to change my mouse to a focus. Maybe I just want to highlight or spotlight something that is on the screen. Amazing screencasts. So that's something I can do. What if I need to just pause my recording for a second because I want to bring up another screen, or maybe I need to pause and go take care of my kids because I might be in the middle of something? I'm going to press that pause button. And when I press the pause button, it's going to pause my recording. And then when I want to come back to it, I'm either going to have an option that says stop. It'll be a little box that says stop, the little stop square, or it's going to be an arrow to continue my recording. So you can pause your recording as well. When I want to hide my cursor when I'm not moving it, it'll make the cursor go away. So if you don't want to see that little pointer or cursor, you can get rid of that. Or you can even highlight your clicks, which is when I click on something, it will actually bring up a little yellow circle and it will highlight what you see when you click. So if I were to click on a screen, when I click, it'll highlight this or it'll highlight that. And when we're recording, you'll see how it highlights in a little yellow circle. So I'm going to get rid of that focus mouse and come back to my other tools. I can also use a pen. You can draw and annotate. So if I want it to circle screencasts, right now I'm actually using my finger to draw on the screen. So let me show you me. Hi, here I am. I'm actually taking my finger and I'm bringing it to the screen, and I can draw on everywhere except where my face is. So I'm using my finger and I'm drawing all over on the screen. If I want to get rid of those drawings, I can just click on my eraser and I can click and I can erase all of those drawings, or I can erase the entire screen by using the screen wiper. I can get rid of myself in the corner again. Bye-bye. And so now you can see that there's all these tools where if you're teaching students, you can easily click, you can draw, you can have things on the screen, you can have yourself on the screen, and so you can have that contact with your students. All right, so those are just some of the cool things you can do with Screencastify. So happy Coronacation, everybody. Be safe, be well, and if you have any questions or concerns, feel free to reach out.